How to use Amazon gift card on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about using the Amazon gift card on your Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and install the latest version of Roblox application on your mobile device and launch it. Now tap on the More option from the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, scroll down and go to gift cards, that is below the create option, and tap on it. Now tap on Redeem Card in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Robux Redeem page. But additionally, you need to go to Amazon.com as well. Search for Roblox gift card. And here you can see several gift cards option of $10, $25, $20, $50, $100, and more. Go ahead and select one of the cards that you'd like to purchase, add it to your cart, and buy it, and check your email for the Robux code from Amazon. Enter the code on the Robux Redeem page and then click on Redeem. You will successfully use your Amazon gift card to buy Robux. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can use your Amazon gift card on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.